In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stripe, a comprehensive yet user-friendly tool that enables you to set up payments, accept money, and manage your business online. You don't need any coding experience unless you are looking to make advanced integrations, so let's dive right in and get started on this journey. First things first, you'll need to sign up and activate your account. Head over to stripe.com and click the Start Now button. From there, sign up using your email, create a secure password, and enter your business details. It's important to verify your email address to proceed. Next, you'll provide essential business information, such as your business name, address, type, and tax ID. Don't forget to verify your identity, which may involve uploading an ID. Lastly, you'll need to link your bank account so you can receive payouts. Stripe offers free guides and a checklist to assist you through the verification and activation process, ensuring that everything is set up correctly and securely. Once you're all logged in, you'll land on your Stripe dashboard. This dashboard is your command center. The home page displays key performance data, such as net volume and new customers, giving you an instant snapshot of how your business is doing. Payments provide a detailed list of all transactions. Under Customers, you manage profiles and saved payment methods, perfect for keeping track of your clientele. Products and Prices is where you define what you're selling, be it one-time purchases or recurring subscriptions. Understanding your dashboard will be crucial as you start to manage your business more effectively. Now, let's talk about accepting payments with no code required. A quick and simple setup. Stripe's Payment Links feature allows you to create a professional checkout page effortlessly. Just set the product details, pricing, and available options. Once you have created the link or QR code, share it through email, social media, or embed it on your website. Customers can pay instantly, and Stripe will handle the fulfillment for you, making it a hassle-free experience. Another vital feature is sending invoices. Navigate to the billing section and select Invoices. Here, you can create a new invoice, choose the customer, add necessary line items, set a due date, and send it off. Customers will pay via an invoice link, and Stripe automatically tracks the status, whether it's paid or unpaid, and deposits the funds directly to your account. Finally, let's discuss subscriptions. If your business model involves recurring products, you can define these under Products and Prices. Create a subscription for each customer, and Stripe takes care of charging them on schedule. This feature supports trial periods and volume pricing, giving you the flexibility to customize how you want to bill your customers. With these tools at your disposal, Stripe empowers you to conduct your business seamlessly and efficiently. By the end of this setup, you'll be ready to wield Stripe's capabilities for your benefit, improving your business processes and elevating your customer experience.